Welcome. If you're looking to mute a friend's chat calls on Snapchat for just 1 hour, you're in the right place. Whether you need a break from constant calls or just want some peace and quiet, Snapchat makes it easy to temporarily mute notifications without unfriending or blocking anyone. Here's how to do it, step by step. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you'll see several options. Next, tap on My Friends. This will bring up your full friends list. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the friend whose calls you want to mute. When you've found them, press and hold down on their name. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner. This opens up even more settings. Now, select Chat and Notification Settings. In the next menu, tap on Notification Settings. Here, you'll see different options for managing notifications from this friend. Look for the toggle that says Mute Calls. Switch it on. When you do this, Snapchat will ask you how long you want to mute calls from this friend. Choose for 1 hour. This means you won't receive any call notifications from them for the next hour, but you'll still be able to chat and see their messages if you want. And that's it. You've successfully muted your friend's chat calls for 1 hour. After the hour's up, notifications will automatically turn back on, so you won't miss anything important in the long run. This feature is perfect for those moments when you need to focus, rest, or just enjoy some uninterrupted time. Remember, you can always repeat these steps or adjust the mute duration as needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quiet time on Snapchat.